Okay, maths people, a very quick one. Circle theorem. Find angle WOZ. Number 2, find angle WXY. Angle WOZ, this is the center of the circle, which happens to be O. WOZ. This is a triangle. Additionally, you still need to understand that this line that touches part of this wall, the outer part of the circle, becomes a tangent line. And whenever you have a straight line from the tangent down to the center of the circle, that line becomes a perpendicular line. And you know, a perpendicular line forms a right angle. So definitely here becomes 90 degrees. All these things must be put into consideration in order to answer questions like this perfectly well. The next is to obtain angle WOZ. WOZ. The middle one is always what you are looking for. So O is the middle letter here. So we are looking for this angle right here. How do we go about it? This is a right angled triangle. Here already is what? 90 degrees. Here is what? 40 degrees. Then to get this, we need to recall that sum of angles in a triangle is what? 180 degrees. So number one answer is already obtained. So we can say 180 degrees minus, then the summation of 90 and what? 40 in a bracket. 90 degrees plus 40 degrees. We can call it angles in a triangle. Then what do we do? 180 degrees. Then add this up. Then minus what? 90 plus 40 is what? 130 degrees. So if you subtract 130 degrees from 180 degrees, what do we have? We have 50 degrees. Therefore, our what? WOZ. WOZ is what? 50 degrees. So here is 50 degrees. Then the next question. Find angle WXY. Like I said earlier, the middle letter is what you are looking for. WXY. What are we looking for now? X, which is here. Now, how do we obtain that? Now, we need to recall that this is the center of the circle. And this is angle at the circumference. So, they are subtended by the same what? Arc. They are subtended by the same chord as well. Therefore, we need to recall that angles at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Let me explain it better. Let's take, for instance, this is a circle. We have a triangle of this nature. Don't mind my drawing. Let me make it a bit straight. Okay. Touching this part. And this is a chord. So if I have any other maybe triangle, you discover that these two triangles are subtended by this what? Chord. They are on the same chord. They are subtended by the same chord. What do I mean by the angles being subtended? Subtended means things that are created. So they are created by the same what? Chord. It's not even only the chord, even the what? Arc. This is the arc. This is the minor arc and this is the major arc. So they are subtended by the same word, chord, and also being subtended by the same word, arc. So in this case, the rule or the concept we hold. So we can say that angles at the center must be twice the angle at the circumference. So if here is 50 degrees, definitely here will be what? 25 degrees. Yes. Angle at the center will be 2 times the angle at the circumference. So angle at the circumference is half of angle at the center. It's not only in this kind of position. Even if it's like this, let's take for instance, we have something of this nature. Even if this chooses to push to this extent, it holds. It still holds because they are still subtended by the same word, chord and arc. So the same concept here. So here is the center. It must be twice the angle at the circumference. So half of 50 must be what? 25. Therefore, I will say to get the angle at the circumference, we say 50 degrees divided by 2. So angle at the center is twice the angle at circumference. So 50 divided by 2 is what? 25 degrees. Therefore, angle WXY will be what? 25 degrees. That becomes our final answer. Bye bye.
Waiting I get, I give to you. Music I get, I sing for you. Make it sure for you. Mathematics I go solve for you. See, you want money, call a day like it. Make your mind go there. You want money, call Dangote.